Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa
Sheikh, please, if somebody commits a major sin, is there a special way for asking for forgiveness, or when he says astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah is enough, or should he ponder on the sin?
Major sins require repentance, which means that they have to stop doing the sin immediately. They have to intend not to do it in the future. They have to fill their hearts with remorse, because without the remorse in the heart and the burning of the heart of regret, there is no repentance accepted. And of course, they have to ask Allah for forgiveness. Once they do this, Allah would forgive them.